Hey guys, how you doing? There's a Peru evacuates hundreds from the south after a volcano rumbles. It says the authorities, hundreds of nearby their volcano south, people are evacuating to eruption. This is two explosions led in the ashes spear from radius of 25 kilometers, which is 16 miles. That's pretty intense. So there you got it. Breaking volcano erupts, and people are evacuated south of Peru. And again, it's near the ring of fire of this. So a lot of volcanoes, man, just happening around the world. And right now, latest is Peru volcano on that. So here's more information regarding that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.